Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking automation to the next level by building a gesture-controlled LED system. Before we dive into the build, let's look at the components we'll be using. 3 LEDs, red, yellow, blue. These are our visual outputs that will react to our gestures. 220 ohm resistors. These act as current limiters to protect our LEDs from high current. Breadboard, our prototyping base that lets us connect everything without soldering. Arduino Uno, the brain of the project that receives commands from our computer. USB cable and jumper wires. We use the USB cable to power the Arduino and send data, while jumper wires create the connections between the components. Let's start the wiring. I'll show you how to connect each LED one by one. First, I'll place the yellow LED on the breadboard. Then, I'll connect a resistor to the long leg. From that resistor, I'll run a wire to pin 7. Finally, I'll take a wire from the short leg directly to the GND pin. Second LED blue, same process. Place the blue LED first, then add the resistor to the long leg. This one goes to pin 8, and the short leg goes to GND. Finally, the red LED, place it in, add the resistor to the long leg, and connect it to pin 9. The short leg goes to GND. Our hardware is ready. Now let's connect the Arduino to the laptop. In the Arduino code, we define our pins 8, 9, and 7. Inside the loop, the Arduino waits for a signal. 1 turns on the yellow LED, 2 turns on yellow and blue, 3 turns on yellow, blue and red, 0 turns everything off. Let's hit upload. The Python script handles the vision. Using OpenCV and MediaPipe, we track the index, middle, and ring fingers. The code checks the Y coordinate of the fingertips. If it's higher than the knuckle, it counts it as a raised finger. This count is then sent directly to the Arduino. Now for the real magic and the working of this project. 1 finger up. As soon as my index finger is detected, the yellow LED glows instantly. 2 fingers up. Now, the middle finger is detected too, and the blue LED joins in. 3 fingers up, and there it is. All 3, including the red LED, light up. What you are seeing here is more than just a simple circuit. We made this by integrating AI, robotics, and coding all into one single project. We've created a seamless human-machine interface. This is the future of how we will interact with the world around us. If you enjoyed this project, register your child for our robotics and AI courses at Maker's Place. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.